I got this Honda Civic hybrid battery for a 06 Honda Civic hybrid. I got this grid charger that I got from Prolong Automotive. It's called the Prolong Battery Charger. So since I have quite a few of these hybrid batteries that I get and fix up, I decided to take the wiring harness out of my Honda Civic hybrid and just hook it up to here so I can charge these outside of the vehicle, so I don't have to have the battery inside the vehicle to charge them. So the instructions on the website are kind of hard to tell where you put the lines, but the red one goes right here on the positive. There's a plus right there, so that's the red, and then the black goes right there. So you just unscrew that screw, stick that on, screw it back in, unscrew this 10mm screw, stick it on, and plug it back in. And you want to do all this with the hybrid battery turned to off. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this on. And it says 205 volts, 0 amps. So right now we're going to turn the hybrid battery on, and that changes to 140 volts, and it's going to start charging. So we're going to let this charge for about 24 hours, but we're going to leave this fan on. So we have the fan on just to make sure we cool down the battery, and I have it blowing that way through the cracks. So, I mean, we're going to look at this. It's charging right now. It's at 152, 153. And it's going to keep trickle charging and balancing the batteries inside the Honda Civic battery pack. So this has been charging for about 24 hours. Once it gets done charging and starts to balance the batteries, it'll stay at about 185 to 190 and then go up one or down one and stay there for a while. You want to keep it like that for about 4 to 6 hours to balance the batteries. But right now this is fully charged, so I'm going to put it into the hybrid vehicle and see if it fixes the issue or if I need to do some discharges and then recharges again. So this is with that hybrid battery in my vehicle. I've driven it 15 miles already. I'm at 50 miles a gallon. Definitely better than the 35 I was getting before charging it for 24 hours. That machine definitely works, but we'll see how long it works for. Usually with these, I may have to do a couple discharges before the battery stays at this efficiency, but sometimes just with one grid charge, it is good to go. So I will update the video with another one. I'll also update a video with how to do a discharge and make a light bulb discharger for less than $5. So thanks for watching.